how to integrate GetResponse with WordPress. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you how you can integrate GetResponse with WordPress. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So in order to integrate GetResponse with WordPress, you have to follow these steps. So creating the integration is a two-step process. First, install the GetResponse plugin in your WordPress. Then set up the integration in GetResponse. Now, in order to install GetResponse plugin in WordPress, you have to follow these steps. First, sign into WordPress. Then download the plugin from here. After that, in the left-hand menu, select Plugins and add New. Then click Upload plugin and choose File. After that, locate and select the plugin on your computer. Then click Install Now. And after installation, click Activate plugin. Similarly, in order to set up integration in GetResponse, you have to follow these steps. First, go to Integrations and API in WordPress. Then click on the Connect button. After that, provide WordPress site URL, admin username, and the application password generated in WordPress. At last, click on the Connect button. So that's how you integrate GetResponse with WordPress. That's all for this video.